My name is Victor. I've always wanted to learn graphic designing because of the endless possibilities available to bring out what I feel inside on paper for people to see. I learned about Lady Eye from my brother. He actually introduced me to it and I came here straight ahead. Lady Eye has been wonderful. The teachings, when I came here, we just dived right into it. We got straight to business and started creating things. Mr. Timothy, the guy, our instructor, is a very, very funny guy. He carries us along, he knows what he's doing, and is very, very talented. Of course, I recommend someone to Lady Eye because their principles are on point. They have the right teaching paths and can boost you straight into the career of graphic design. Thank you.